Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to add an email icon to the Divi Person module. The Person module is a fantastic feature in the Divi theme that allows you to showcase team members or individuals with visually appealing profiles. These profiles can include details like names, positions, bios, and social media links. However, the module doesn't natively support adding an email address or an email icon. Today, we'll go over methods to include this feature and make it easier for visitors to connect. Let's get started. To add an email icon to the Divi Person module, one effective approach is to use the Divi Booster plugin. With this method, you can insert a clickable email icon by leveraging the custom email address field that the plugin provides. This process ensures that the email icon is not only visually appealing on the front end, but also functions correctly with the underlying HTML and CSS. It's a straightforward way to create a clean and testable setup, ensuring the email link is styled properly and works seamlessly for your visitors. To add an email address to your Person module, start by opening the module's settings. If you have the Divi Booster plugin installed, you'll notice a new field labeled Email Address. Simply type in the email address you want to use here. For instance, you could enter something like jane@example.com. Once you do that, the email will be set up within the module, and you'll be ready for the next step. After saving your changes and exiting the Divi Builder, it's time to preview how your page looks to visitors. Look beneath the person's name and position. There, you should see a new email icon displayed alongside any other social icons you've added. When clicked, this icon will open a new mail message, pre-addressed to the email you entered earlier. You'll also notice a label next to the icon that reads Email, making it clear and accessible for visitors who want to reach out. If there's an existing icon field in the Person module that you're not currently using, you can creatively repurpose it as an email icon by applying a bit of custom CSS. For example, you can take the Facebook icon and transform it into an email icon. This method is perfect if you prefer not to use additional plugins and want a simple code-based solution. Let's go over how this works. To start, locate an unused icon field in your Person module settings. For this example, we'll use the Facebook profile URL field. In this field, type mail to, followed by the email address you want to use. For instance, you could enter something like mail to jane@example.com. This setup will ensure that the icon links directly to an email address, making it interactive for your visitors. To replace the Facebook icon with an email icon in your Person module, you'll need to add some custom CSS. Open the Person module settings, then go to the Advanced tab and find the Custom CSS section. In the Freeform CSS field, paste the provided CSS code from the tutorial. Essentially, this code changes the content of the current icon to display as an email icon instead. For the exact code and further details, refer to the tutorial post. Once you apply the CSS, you should see the Facebook icon replaced with a new email icon on your module. And that's it. Now you know how to add a professional, clickable email icon to the Divi Person module. This simple customization makes it even easier for your visitors to connect with the people showcased on your website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.